Some of you may or may not know that I have another channel that's dedicated to political commentary and religious things. I have uncovered the deep state's latest weapon against the truth coming out. Stay to the end of the video and you'll see what I'm talking about. They talk about property taxes, right? The problem is, it's not just the property tax. Understand, the government taxes you in like 50 different ways that they take money from you. And because they take it from you in pieces all over the place, you don't really think about how much money the government's taking from you. You're paying a sales tax. You're paying a property tax. In some cases, you're paying excise taxes, like when you buy tires or you buy fuel, there's an excise tax in there that you're paying. There's taxes on other goods too that are built into the price of the goods. And state taxes are going into gasoline. I mean, there's some, like California's price on gasoline is like $8, $6 a gallon. It's at one point, and $3 of it was state tax going to, Californians were paying per gallon of gasoline that's sold in one of the largest populated states in the nation. So the government is taking money from you on all these different levels, right? They're taxing pretty much everything you're doing. And the Governor DeSantis was talking about a property tax. So you could actually save up, buy a house, sell the house, make enough profit on the house to buy another house and just pay cash for it. People do that sometimes. But you still have to pay the property tax. And so you say, well, the property tax goes to, taking care of the roads and the infrastructure of things. Well, okay, what about the sales tax? What's that supposed to do? What about this tax? What about that tax? What about tolls on these roads? I mean, all these different things they take. The problem is that the governments of these states and the federal government and the city governments have become so big and so bloated with so many people and buying so many things and buying brand new vehicles for people to go around and look at this and people to go around, the spending that they're doing, that you cannot even afford it anymore because of all the money they're just taking from you. They say, I know remember the big saying was, you had to work till like March the 30th or April the something like that in order to not pay. So what happened at the end there was the attack of the drone wasp that the deep state has. I'm telling you, I was talking about this stuff. I was sitting in a Land Rover of mine back on the property that I have. And all of a sudden, as I get to some of the important stuff about this, talking about different things, I look over and there's this wasp the size of a small bird coming in the window. I mean, just hovering right at me. And that's why you saw me look over and then dive out of the car real quick. Don't worry, it didn't sting me. And I did kill it in the end. Thanks for watching.